What should you do as soon as you receive the machine? During transportation, the machine may experience tilting or jolting. To prevent collisions or damage, we secure the moving axes of the components. The following indicates the fixed positions. After receiving the machine, please remove the securing fixtures first. Remove these two red fixing blocks first. Then there is the fixation on the right. There is also a mounting bracket on the lower left side. There are two here, one on the left and one on the right. Two below, one on the right and one on the left. We need to find these for fixed blocks. Other color fixed blocks may be used. Here is also a red fixing block, detached from the side. Red fixed block. Then there is also a red fixed block at this location. There are no two white ring fixing blocks here. This one does not need to be removed, just the screws need to be loosened. Loosen the screws without removing them. Also loosen the screws here. Other locations also have fixed blocks, but a key is required to open the security door. After opening the security door below, it looks like this. Remove this red retaining block. Then loosen this screw. We have to open the electric box and then remove the fixing block inside the machine. We need to remove the red mounting brackets first before we can move the chassis. After removing the red fixing block, then loosen this screw, and the chassis can be opened. Then the two red fixing blocks should also be removed. After all these fixed blocks are removed, the power cord can be connected. For safety, we carefully inspect the inside of the machine to check for any other red fixing blocks. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at www.jhims.com.